This is another video, this time with a partner.
Hi, I'm the partner.
His name is David. All the time he comes, right?
What? Sure.
You're funny.
Thank you. All right, let's go. My predictions for Royal Rumble 2018.
I was about to say 2018, but
You want to read them off?
if you want to.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. His number one entry is Roman Reigns.
Of course it is. He's coming in first. He's not winning this year, but he's coming in first.
Number two. Dad, do you want me to do their entrance musics?
No,
Why?
because that's too much.
Why
That
would
would
it be?
take like half an hour.
No, it won't. Why did you just roll your eyes at me?
I didn't. Go ahead.
I saw you. I'm looking at you this whole entire
Okay,
time.
number two.
Samoa Joe.
That'll be a good one. Samoa against Roman?
Yeah,
Be fun.
that has already happened.
Number three is
I have boys seals in my hail. They counsel me, they understand, they talk to me.
that's Randy Orton.
What were you about to say?
Roman Reigns. Number four, Rusev is coming in.
Hey, remember I say them?
Oh.
You wanted me to say them.
Yeah, go ahead.
Number five.
Bobby Roode.
Hey!
Oh, sorry.
Hey!
My bad.
You wanna? Got me to?
Do you want to do this?
Boom.
Do you want to do this right here, right now?
Yeah. Not yet.
Oh.
Number six. Awesome. I came to play. It's the Miz.
Yeah, and what happens with the Miz?
He comes in, he goes out. By Randy Orton.
Bye, Miz.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow. On Monday Night Raw. Number seven. Matt Hardy. And he goes in. And he goes out by Rusev.
Rusev Crush.
Rusev Crush. And then Rusev eliminates Bobby Roode.
Oh, yes. Okay, keep going. Read them up.
And then Roman Reigns eliminates Samoa Joe. And then Rusev eliminates Roman Reigns.
Yes, he does. I don't think Roman's going to last that long this time. Do you? Yeah, that's better. Is that towards me?
Yeah, that is towards you.
Oh, sorry. All right.
Get out of the camera!
Read them up.
Okay. Number 8 is Eric Rowan. He comes in, he goes out.
I don't think he's going to last very long.
By Rusev Day! Ah! And then Kevin Owens comes in. Yes, Kevin Owens comes into the Royal Rumble match. Seriously. And then number 10.
Dun, dun, dun,
Dun,
dun,
dun,
dun,
dun,
dun,
dun,
dun,
dun, dun, dun.
In case you don't know who that is, Shinsuke.
Nakamura. Go down camera. Back in. Number 11. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Baron Corbin. Yes, it is Baron Corbin. And then number 12. Well, it's the Big Show. And then Baron Corbin and Randy Orton team up to eliminate the Big Show.
Big Show's in, Big Show's out.
What the heck, man?
Because I think he's still hurt, so he's not going to last a long time. If he's there, he's not going to be in the ring for a long time.
Number 13. New Day Rocks. Which one, Dad? Fart. 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 Who is it? Which one?
Biggie.
Okay, thank you. And then Seth Rollins. Can you guys hear me? It's Seth Rollins. Number 50.
Jason Jordan.
Jason Jordan. Did I already say that Big E went out?
I don't know. We're just doing the ones that are coming in.
And then Seth Rollins gets eliminated by Jason Jordan. And then Jason Jordan gets eliminated by Rusev. What do you have getting eliminated next? And then Baron Corbin gets eliminated by the former rivals Rusev and Randy Orton.
I agree.
Hey, this is his prediction, so you cannot agree.
Okay, I disagree.
You not disagree.
Alright, what's the next one?
Okay, so, and then Luke Harper comes into the ring, and then he eliminates Rusev! Rusev! And then Cesaro comes in, then Sami Zayn comes in, then Balor comes in, then Cena comes in, then Sheamus comes in. And then they're holding Randy Orton against the rope. Sheamus, and then Cesaro's going to get eliminated. And then, sorry, Cesaro bounces off the ropes. Goes like, oh, Sheamus is eliminated by Cesaro.
Cesaro gets Sheamus out by accident.
He's crazy.
That's my prediction.
He is crazy.
Alright, next one. Keep going.
And then
I gotta get back to football. Football's on. Let's go.
Chris
Jericho eliminates. Come on. Minnesota's playing New Orleans right now. Let's go.
Chris Jericho eliminates Jinder Mahal.
Jinder Mahal, yes. Jinder Mahal's out now. Next.
You're weird. And then Randy Orton eliminates Cesaro.
What? Yeah, okay.
And then Kevin Owens eliminates Neville.
Kevin Owens eliminates Neville.
And then Kevin Owens. Oh, shoot. Then Rey Mysterio comes in.
Then Rey Mysterio
Elias
comes in. Then Elias comes in.
And then Kevin Owens.
And then Kevin Owens, Sami Zayn,
eliminates Elias. Why are you covering what I say?
Okay, keep going.
Why are you covering what I say? And then Goldust comes in.
Yeah.
And then Kevin Owens and Sami Zayn also eliminate Goldust.
Yes, they're going to be working well together. I think they're going to work together on this one.
Oh. What do you have as number 20 getting eliminated?
I don't know. I know there's I messed up on one of them. I think 20. I think that's Randy that goes.
Randy Orton goes by who?
I believe it would be KO and Sammy. What? They're going to be taking people out for sure. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to do what you were doing.
It's not very effective.
I know.
Just read off the paper.
Yeah, do that again.
Oh, good resisting. Okay, next. Keep going. Football's on.
I don't care.
What?
Oh my gosh. And then Taker comes in. Then the Heartbreak Kid comes in.
Oh boy.
What was number 30? Goldberg.
Goldberg.
No.
Goldberg. All right.
Gilbert.
No. Can you imagine? That would be funny.
I know. And then bye Rey Mysterio. Jericho eliminates Mysterio. And then Randy Orton. Wait, why do you have Randy Orton still in? He eliminates John Cena. He just comes back into the ring.
Yeah, maybe he comes and helps out.
Yeah. And then boom 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 boom. Hey. And then Goldberg eliminates Chris Jericho.
Okay, keep going.
And then
Are we almost done?
Yes, we are at the 24th elimination.
Football game's gonna start.
At what time?
In the next 5 minutes.
Who is the 24th elimination?
I don't know.
You messed up again.
Yes, I messed it up.
Look.
I think that's when Randy was supposed to go out.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's skip to who wins.
Yeah. No!
Okay, skip that one. Go to the next one.
And then Goldberg gets eliminated by the Taker.
Yes.
And then HBK gets eliminated by the Taker.
Yes.
And then Kevin Owens and Sami Zayn get eliminated by the Undertaker.
Okay.
No, I'm
That's
wrong.
not right. Yeah.
I'm joking. Kevin Owens and Sami Zayn eliminate the Undertaker. And then Sami Zayn eliminates Kevin Owens.
Okay.
And then it's down to Finn Balor and Sami Zayn. Let me predict. Sami Zayn is going to win.
No.
But it's dropkick into the corner by Balor and then clothesline out of the ring. Here is your winner, Finn Balor.
2018 Royal Rumble winner, Finn Balor.
Is he going to take the championship?
Yes.
From? Sorry.
At that time, it's going to go back to Brock Lesnar. So it'll be Brock Lesnar.
He's going to beat Braun Strowman.
Strowman's going to win the title at Royal Rumble, but then he's going to lose it before WrestleMania.
He's going to lose it out of the Elimination Chamber, right?
Oh,
okay.
All right. Make sure and subscribe to this kid's YouTube page.
It is!
Me. My name's not on it. I'm going to watch football.
No, you're not. You're saying it.
Ah! I'm being attacked.
See ya. Please subscribe to our channel. Get out. Get out. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye.